of restaurants in our area are feeling the impact of COVID-19. Restaurants such as Stir are temporarily closed right now. This comes after a manager tested positive for the virus. Today we learned that 70 restaurants in Hamilton County have seen positive cases so far. We wanted to know, if you visited one of these restaurants, is there any reason to be worried about that? Bliss Zekman has what we have learned today.
This is a sign that no one wanted to see. A spokesperson here at Stir told me that they made the decision to temporarily close down after a manager here tested positive for COVID-19. But this restaurant is not alone.
Wherever people are, we have cases. So restaurants are not immune from, positive cases like any other work site.
Just 2 months after getting the green light to reopen, some restaurants are already shut back down.
A little bit of a bummer. We were looking forward to some Stir food today for lunch, but we'll find an alternate spot.
Townsend Ziegler, who is a representative for Stir, tells us they're taking several steps to stop the spread. While they're closed, they're hiring folks to do a deep clean, and all employees will be tested.
I mean, what they've done is probably right for now.
But are you at risk if you've eaten at a restaurant with confirmed cases? As a general rule of thumb, Ray Bond with the Chattanooga and Hamilton County Medical Society says it takes about 10 minutes of direct contact for the virus to spread from person to person.
10-minute window of contact is seen in a lot of the literature.
Per CDC guidelines, in most cases, restaurants and bars do not have to close if an employee tests positive. A deep clean and widespread testing of employees is highly encouraged. As far as restaurant patrons, Bond says it's better to be safe than sorry.
If you are concerned that you've been in close contact with somebody for any period of time, I would get testing.
More than anything, it's kind of a reminder that COVID is here and that it's real. And obviously, when a local business is affected like this, it's disruptive for them, a little bit for us as well. And
Stir's representative tells me that so far they've tested all the other managers, and all of those results have come back negative. They're still waiting to get the results from all of the other employees here at Stir. Reporting in Chattanooga, I'm Bliss Zekman for News Channel 9.
And today we asked the National Restaurant Association what guidance they offer to restaurants when they have a positive case.
I think the restaurants that I've seen that have had COVID-19 positive employees have sent everybody home. They're working on the contact tracing. They're doing the right things in terms of cleaning and sanitizing the entire facility, and then reopening with the guidance of their public health officials to make sure it's safe to reopen and come back in again.
And Lynch says the pandemic has hit restaurants hard in a lot of different ways. He says some estimations show that 40% will not survive the financial strain.